How to add a photo on a video in CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo on a video in a CapCut. To do so, first of all, open your CapCut application on your mobile device and here, tap on this new project at the top to start editing. After that, select a video from your gallery and then tap on this add button at the bottom right. By doing so, now you will be taken to the editing space. Once you reach this space at the bottom, you'll be able to see the overlay option. Tap on it and then tap on add overlay. Now this will open up your photo gallery of your mobile device and here now you will need to select a photo you want to overlay on your video. After selecting the photo, tap on the add button at the bottom right. Now the photo will appear on the timeline above your video. You can now move around by dragging it to your desired position. To resize, you can pinch the photo with 2 fingers or use the corners to adjust its size. If you want the photo to appear for a specific duration, then you can drag the edges of the photo clip in the timeline to set how long it stays visible in the video. You will also be able to add animations to the photo by selecting and tapping on the animation option at the bottom menu. Now choose an animation style that fits your video. Once you are satisfied with it, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and then preview your video by tapping on the play button right here. And once you are satisfied with it, you can tap on the export button at the top right to save the edited video in your gallery. So by following these steps, you should be able to add a photo on a video in a CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.